In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize team dashboards in Freshdesk. If you're an admin or supervisor seeking to tailor your dashboard for enhanced team productivity, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the limitations. Freshdesk's default dashboard is not something you can alter. While it allows for some filtering by group or product, its layout and content remain fixed. However, as an admin or supervisor, you have the power to customize team dashboards, giving you the flexibility to mold these dashboards to meet your team's specific needs. To start creating your very own team dashboard, you'll need to log in as an admin or supervisor. Once logged in, navigate over to the Dashboard tab. Here, you'll find the hamburger icon, typically located in the top left corner. Give it a click, then select Plus New Team Dashboard. Freshdesk lets you have up to 15 custom dashboards for each account, so there's plenty of room to experiment and manage your team's data in creative ways. Next, you'll need to name your dashboard. Think of a name that clearly represents its function. After naming it, you'll set the visibility options. You can make it accessible to all agents or just to agents belonging to a specific group, depending on your team's dynamic and workflow. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click Done to create your dashboard. Now that you have your dashboard set up, it's time to populate it with widgets from the widget library. This library offers various tools to visualize and track your team's operations effectively. You can add scorecards, up to 15 of them in fact, to showcase real-time ticket counts based on specific views. Bar charts can be your go-to for visualizing trends or ticket distributions, and you can include up to 5 of these. For customer satisfaction metrics over time, consider the CSAT widgets, allowing for up to 3 entries. Lastly, for a fun and motivating twist, you can add up to 3 leaderboards to display top-performing agents using gamification metrics. Let's talk customization. You can easily reorder your widgets by using the simple drag-and-drop method, making sure everything is right where you want it. If at any point you decide to rename your dashboard, adjust its visibility, or enhance it with more widgets, opt for the Edit option, represented by a pencil icon. Feel free to clone your dashboard too, which allows you to create editable copies without altering the original masterpiece. Should you need to delete any dashboard, just remember that this action is permanent, so proceed with caution. If you'd like, you can enhance communication by adding announcements. Simply click Announcements, write your brief message, up to 150 characters, and post it. It's a handy way to broadcast messages to agents who'll receive them via in-app notifications. You can even track which messages have been seen, and whenever you decide to stop them, just click Stop. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and customizing team dashboards in Freshdesk. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your team's workflow and data management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you supercharge your dashboard experience with Freshdesk.